The Russian Helicopters Holding Company, a part of Rostec, plans at Dubai Airshow 2017 signing a contract with India on supply of Mi-171A2. The company's Director General Andrei Bajinsky said on Sunday. At the show, we plan signing a contract with an Indian company on supply of Mi-171A2, and certifying it on this market, he said. The holding company has begun the process of certifying Ansat in China, he continued. Our plans are to begin certifying in Pakistan, Mexico, Colombia, Brazil, he said. We expect that in the end of this year, early next year, our joint venture producing KOP 226 will enter a contract with India's Defense Ministry, he said. Russia and India agreed on the KOP 226T helicopter joint production in 2015. In October 2016, the parties signed an agreement to set up a joint venture. Earlier reports said the KOP 226 helicopters would be manufactured by Russia's Ulanood and Temurdar aircraft plants. Andrei Bajinsky also said that Russian helicopters may sign before the year ends a contract with India for supply of Kamov KOP 226 helicopters. We expect that in the end of this year, early next year, our joint venture producing KOP 226 will enter a contract with India's Defense Ministry, he said. The KOP 226T helicopter is a light multi-purpose rotorcraft with a takeoff weight of 3.4 tons. The helicopter is designed to transport up to 1.5 tons of cargo or 7 passengers at a distance of 600 kilometers 373 miles. With its high-performance power plant, the helicopter will be operational within a wide range of altitudes, in hot climates and over the sea.